How to fix Play Store not working on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your Play Store not working on your device. So if you're also using Android device just like me, and if your Play Store is not working for some reason, then the first thing what you need to do is just make sure you are connected to your internet and your Wi-Fi connection or your internet connection is strong. So once you make sure that, and if it's still not working, so in that case what you need to do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the apps section and just tap on this. So once you tap on it, now just find the Google Play Store. So let me just quickly locate the Google Play Store and just tap on that particular application just like this, and now scroll down and click on storage option. So once you click on here, make sure you click on this clear cache and clear data from over here. So you may have to re-log in with your login credentials if it asks. So now restart your Play Store application and it should work correctly. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.